Hey Matt, don't worry too much about getting these guides perfect, mate. I just need them really as a reference, and I can just get an idea what's going on in the song, so I can do like embellishment things and dynamics really. So yeah. Remember rightly, just before. Cool, can you see me now? Okay, cool. Yeah, I just made a few changes on recess divide. Actually, just one change. I figured I'll kind of change it up a bit. So what I've done is written a 5-stroke flam with double kicks, kind of ascending beat. So it kind of goes from the floor tom double kick to the mid tom double kick, and then onto the snare double kick, which should kind of have a bigger impact into the chorus. So if I I'll show you what I expect. So from the kind of the verses like dun 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 dun, that part into the heavy part. If you kind of get my drift. Anyway, I hope you get my drift, and I hope you guys don't mind that change. I just think it'll work better. Okay. Maybe.